welcome to our channel. So it's our monthsary today, and it's February 13. It's our 16th monthsary, and we're celebrating every month the date of our wedding date, and that was October 13. So today's February 13, and it's our 16th monthsary. Paulit-ulit. Okay, guys, and of course tomorrow is February 14, that's Valentines Day. So, ayan. Regalo po to ni Team. So, this is the gift of Team to me. And we will do unboxing of Coach. I really don't know what's inside of it.
It could be something else.
It could be bags or shoes or what.
Yeah.
But I know maybe this one is like wallet or like perfume, I think. And it's also Coach. So, let's open. Maybe thank you so much.
Of course.
Actually, I'm already cried a while ago because he showed me a love video letter, but of course that's already private. Okay, so are you ready, guys? What is this? The box is so nice. I'm gonna keep it.
Oh yeah.
Right. Oh my gosh. It's perfume. Yeah, okay guys, so Tim really loved to give me a perfume, but I didn't use it a lot. So I still have a lot of perfume in my cabinet. And even here, in my glass cabinet. Oh. So fancy to see. Aw, it's so cute. Cute. I think I will put it again in my display
Oh yeah, the display cabinet.
cabinet.
Yeah.
I think I more like this one than my Chanel.
It's nice.
Because this one is not that sweet.
Oh yeah.
The Chanel one is sweet one, so I can't use that one. Maybe yep. Oh, okay. I love you, babe.
I love you, baby.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day and monthsary and 2-year.
2-year anniversary. So let's open this. Right. Are you ready?
I am.
3, 2, 1. I'm excited. I'm excited, really. I want to cry now. Thank you, babe.
Of course, baby.
When you make me happy, you know.
Oh.
You never told me to do what to make drama here. I have to make drama here. Okay. So let's open. It's really a big box.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Okay.
What is
I
it?
told you it's a bag.
Is it really? Do you need a bag?
Huh?
Do you need a bag?
Yeah. Maybe like go for travel.
Yeah, we're traveling soon, right?
Yeah, on the 14th. Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, 14. Okay. And we will go to Cambodia, guys, and Siem Reap, and we will celebrate there the Valentine's Day. Oh, it's a backpack! Oh, I'm gonna use it when I go travel. Oh.
Look at the monogram, baby.
It seems like I don't want again to use it because I bought a lot of bucks and
if you don't use it, I'm gonna use it, baby. That's your choice. Look at the monogram there, mate. Oh.
Yeah.
Look at it, can I see it?
You really with this one? You know, it's there.
Yeah.
Team Lavender.
Yeah, you like it, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It seems like I don't want to use it.
Yeah, you have to use it. Otherwise, I'm gonna use it, baby. And you know how I take care of my things, right?
Yeah. You know what, guys? You know, you're spoiling me a lot. Not a lot, but thank you so much, baby.
Yeah, of course.
I don't want to make dramas here.
Oh.
Let's just make it in private.
We have to make sure the leather is fine, baby. I'll help you do that, right? Okay?
Yeah. Alright.
baby.
Let's try, let's try.
Yeah.
So cute, guys.
Wow. What are you gonna put in there, baby?
Hmm?
What are you gonna put in that bag?
What?
What are you gonna keep in your bag?
Our things when we go for travel.
Maybe some of my stuff too.
Huh?
Maybe some of my stuff too.
Yeah, that's why. Because you don't want to
Yeah.
ready to bring a
Yeah.
bag when we like
Yeah.
walking around into the place.
Mm.
Oh, it's so nice, this one.
The strap?
Okay, yeah.
Mm.
I think,
Can you show it, baby?
wait, I need to, I think that is too low for me.
Mm.
Can we just,
You have to tighten it, baby.
but how? It's just, the hole is only like, I think 5.
Mm. Oh,
I
that's...
know, no, it's not.
Does it work?
It's really nice, the color, guys.
Mm.
Tingnan nyo. See,
Mm.
let's try. Oh yeah, it's okay.
Does it work?
Where are we going?
Yeah, you wanna go hiking?
Take it, right?
Yeah, I love it, baby.
So I'm gonna use this when we go for travel.
Yeah.
Travel.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. I just want to show you guys how, Tim really spoiling me a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please, guys, thank you so much for liking, sharing, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And let's just spread. Let's just spread love, not hate. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's go.